In HTML5, we nest tags. The outermost tag is HTML. Nested within the HTML is typically a head and a body. In our example, within the body, we have an article and a side and a footer, and this can continue indefinitely. Often, it's profitable to turn this nested diagram into a tree diagram that represents the same relationships. We start with the HTML tag. Nested within the HTML tag is the head and the body, but we now show them as descendants. The relationship between HTML and body is parent, the HTML, and child, the body. A child of the head tag is the title tag. The body tag has three children: article, aside, and footer. Elements that are at the same level and share a parent are siblings. So article, aside, and footer are siblings. Title is not a sibling because it does not share a parent. And we do not recognize the cousin relationship. Under article, we have two sections. In the first section, we have an H1 and a div. The div has three spans. The second section has a P and an unordered list. Inside the unordered list are list items, two of which have hyperlinks or anchors. The relationship between section and body is ancestor and descendant. The section is a descendant of the body is an ancestor of the section. The immediate ancestor is the parent. The body is the parent of the aside is the child of the body. The relationships that we've described are ancestor and corresponding to that descendant, parent and corresponding to that child, and then sibling relation. And to review briefly, article, aside, and footer are siblings. The two sections are siblings. The H1 and div are siblings. The P and the UL are siblings, but the H1, div, P, and UL are not all siblings to each other. You must share a parent. The three spans are siblings as they share the div as the parent. Let's put this into practice and see how it helps us select different elements in the page.